And good morning, everybody. Once again, and excuse the laundry situation here, but and we're here in paradise. And like you guys notice, I guess today is still cloudy, but we're still here, and we got our neighbors right there. So we're just enjoying the beautiful day today. Hopefully it clears up like it did yesterday during the day, and it was cloudy, and all of a sudden it cleared up and it turned out to be pretty good. So hopefully it does the same thing today, but we're gonna make the best of it, and that's it. We're gonna have some fun, and we got some neighbors leaving, but we're staying a little longer. I guess maybe do some more playing around with the dinghy and enjoy the rest of the day here at Billy's Point. First time here, so we'll see what the day brings us. And I guess we'll catch some breakfast in a little bit, as everybody's still Mama and Gabby are sleeping, while Joel and Fresco are out in the dinghy cruising around. So we're gonna go ahead and move back up to Elliott Key. So we're just taking a slow cruise down to Elliott Key. Well, actually up to Elliott Key, because we were south from Elliott Key. So now we're gonna go up north a little bit. It's about maybe I don't know, 3/4 of a mile. So we'll be there shortly. Then we got Joel and Fresco following behind in the dinghy, because you know them, they want to enjoy to the max. Alright, so like you saw, we just changed locations. Now we're actually a little bit north of University Dock, where a few boaters are here hanging out, and we're gonna join them here for the rest of the day. And actually it's overcast, but it doesn't look like it's gonna rain, so I guess it's a good thing. Check this out, look at this. They'll sleep through anything. Check this out. Look at them all, look at them all. I guess they can sleep through a hurricane, because we were cruising, moved spots through the anchor, got myself situated and everything, and it's still we're sleeping. So you know what? I'm getting kind of hungry. I need some breakfast. I need some Elliott Key $1 million view breakfast. So I'm gonna have to wake them up. Oh, look at that skillet. She's skilling it up. Got the island cook, man. Mama's the island cook. Cause actually we changed, like I told you guys before, we changed location. Now we're actually near Elliott Key now. We just moved over here. Over here. And I'm gonna have myself some eggs and toast. All right, look at that, a skillet toaster, one of a kind, a skillet toaster. Uh-oh, check out that one more time. $1 million view right there, guys. At least it is for me. Ooh, it's hot.
Alright, so after a good late morning breakfast made by Chef Big Mama here at Elliott Key, we're gonna go ahead and take a cruise around and see what everybody's up to.
Oh, the probably this. Alright, let's go. Let's go around the beach area. Yeah, around the beach. Alright, so we're gonna take a little cruise on the dinger, see what's going on at Elliott Key and like I shot. Yeah, there's a few boats coming, I guess. It's the beginning of the day.
Okay, so the more I use the dinghy, the more I like it, especially when they open up everything back up like that. We could do island hopping with the dinghy We get to see different things that we normally don't get to see when we're on the boat.
There we go.
Okay, so after taking a cruise, see when everybody's up to and the boat's here hanging out, we're gonna go ahead and try to open up the throttle, see what she does. And now we're heading over to Sam's Cut, better known as Elliott Key Sandbar. And like you notice, there's only about 2 or 3 boats here, so we're just gonna take a quick cruise and turn around. And on the way back, I told Captain Joel to go ahead and open it up, see how good she does. And like you notice, it's a bumpy, fun ride. And the good thing, since the day is so hot, we get splashed by the water and it helps us cool off.
All right, so we made it back to the boat in one piece. All right, like you guys noticed, a lot of people are starting to show up here at Elliott Key because there ain't nothing else to do, right? Stay home or go on the water. And I guess a lot of people choose to go on the water like today. And like you notice already, some ramps are closed. So that's all, you know, that's all you can do. Enjoy the water. And last night we had a good time with our friend Line. It's cloudy at the city, but it's sunny here. So actually it turned out pretty good. So here goes another don't trust the Miami weather, right? You know what time is it? It's time to have lunch. And you know what's for lunch? What's for lunch? What time is it? What time is it? What is it? What is it? All right, take a guess. I'm gonna give you a few seconds. Banana, psych. Nope, sausages. We're having chicken salad on a can. So we're trying to like, what you wanna call it? Minimize the work. Because when it's really windy like this, the barbecue is really hard to do. All right, so we got Chef Mama right here. She's gonna do it up, do that chicken salad. But today we're just being lazy here at Elliott Key.
He is being lazy. Here, open the cans and throw the water out.
Oh, I just got ordered what to do. Okay, yes ma'am. So they're gonna go ahead and try to test our luck, try to catch dinner, see if they're lucky. They're gonna go to the secret spot with that mega yacht dinger. All right, go down. Give me some fish.
Yes.
Hey, but come back in a few because we're gonna have lunch.
Okay.
All right. Boy, just put on the radio. All right, so you know they're really enjoying it. They actually spent more time on the dinghy cruising around than actually on the big boat here. But it's all good, you know. I'm glad they're enjoying. What's up, big mama?
I don't know why I always end up cooking, right?
Welcome to Fresco Channel Cooking Show on the boat today. Live from Elliott Key, Miami, Florida. Okay, right now.
I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
Why is this called the Fresco Channel Cooking Show?
Okay, big mama. okay. Now she's
I'm making a good point. Right?
okay, she's making a point. All right, so we're gonna call it Big Mama Cooking Show. So Big Mama Cooking Show right from Elliott Key. All right, so she's gonna put apple, celery. She already got the onions in there, and then chicken, and then mayonnaise, and that's what we're gonna have for lunch with crackers. It's a quick, easy fixer-upper, I guess you want to call it. Oh, Chef Big Mama La Casa. Okay, so no more Fresco Channel Cooking Show. It's Big Mama Cooking Show. Right on the water. Looking good. But you know me, I'm gonna tell you guys the real truth if it tastes good or not. But it's gonna taste good though. Because she's actually copying my recipe because I did it last time like that with apples.
Done that before.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but I have done this.
No, she is copying because I did the last time at the house. I did it with apples. She was like, "You putting apples in there?" I'm like, "Yes."
We eat it from the thing, from the other.
Gotcha.
Don't be lying.
Gotcha. Check it out. Look at it. Look at the view in the kitchen. You guys like that view of the kitchen? Look at that. That's the view of the kitchen there. That $1 million view right there. Oh, with $1 million. I just had my $1 million breakfast. Now I'm gonna have $1 million lunch.
With $1 million wife.
With $1 million wife. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. So I guess I'm a millionaire. Looking good, looking good. While Gabby's sleeping, Joel and Fresco out fishing on the dinghy, on the mega yacht. I'll see if they catch anything, but it's okay. Okay, guys, so here we go. The moment of truth, right? Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go.
How does it?
No, it's good, it's good. I like it. And look at him go, look at him go. How is it that they disappear the whole day and they only come back when it's food time? Do they have like a radar or a camera inside the boat or something? They look like bandits. They gotta look like pirates. No, we don't got no money. All right, now don't wreck into the boat now. I'm gonna have to sue you for all your belongings. Look at that dinghy right there, boy, that mega yacht. All right, I guess they ain't catching nothing. So we're gonna jump in because it's really hot. Look, I just caught myself a fish. Come here. All right, it's time to jump in and enjoy some waters. Here we go. All right, so this is what you call the lazy way of enjoying the water. But you didn't get wet. She's afraid of going in the water, so she splashes herself. And you know why she's afraid?
I don't like the grass on the bottom.
There's seaweed on the bottom, so she's afraid that the fish is gonna bite her leg off. I don't think there's a fish with a mouth that big.
Okay guys, so after 2 days well spent out in the water enjoying the new toy, the dinghy, and now it's time to pick up, because now it's going to take a little longer than usual because we have to disassemble the dinghy and put it on the boat. And I guess what I consider the hardest part is I'm mounting the motor, because the motor, I'm guessing it weighs about 100 pounds, so, and being out in the water, it makes things unstable, so I'm afraid to drop it in the water, so I have to be very careful. And also, Big Mama is not just a good chef, but also a good helper, because she helps us pick up everything. Okay, so the challenging part, it's over, and I didn't drop it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and place the lip of the motor on a bucket and tie it to the rail, so that when we move it doesn't tilt over or fall down. Now it's the dinghy's turn. The dinghy's not that bad because it weighs about 120 pounds, But with 3 of us, we could drag it on top of the boat, and then once we have it on top of the boat, we're gonna go ahead and disinflate the last 2 chambers like that. It doesn't hang out over the side. And we are ready to go. So remember, if this is your first time watching these type of videos and you enjoy them, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on all notifications. Like that in the future, you guys will get notified when I put up all the new videos. And remember, if you want to support the channel, you don't really have to buy anything. You can just go ahead, like the video, and maybe comment something you like about it and share it with your friends. Now remember to check out part 1.
We're starting to head back home. So that's our first time out on a dinghy, and it wasn't that bad. Like you see, we got it all situated, kind of stuffed in the back. We had to disinflate the 2 last chambers, but it's not that bad because we can inflate it less than 10 minutes, so it's not that bad. So we're heading out. Until next time.